The wait is finally over, Luke. Slimefest 2013 is here!
Oh, I'm too excited, Wyatt!
Yeah.
Oh, have we got everything?
The most slime of all time.
Check.
Thousands of slime-loving kids. A stack of stars ready for the slime of their lives.
Check!
Oh, hey, Guy.
Hey, Wyatt. Looks like we got everything.
Has anyone seen Big Time Rush?
Where's Big Time Rush?
Hello.
Hey, Kendall, it's Luke and Wyatt.
Hey!
Yeah, where are you?
We are almost there, stuck in some traffic right now.
Can I hear the ocean?
The ocean? No! You know what? Don't worry. We are on our way.
You're meant to be opening Slimefest in 15 minutes.
All right, come on, guys. We gotta go. This is our first time in Australia. Come on, man. Yeah, and I just started working on my Aussie tan. Seriously, we gotta go.
Okay, quick question. Where are the kangaroos? Seriously.
Kangaroos?
Where's the kangaroos?
Big Time Rush! We can't wait to see you!
Go.
One second.
Shh.
Samantha Jade, hello.
Hey guys, I can't wait to meet you. Where are you guys?
We're nearly there. We're just warming up our voices.
At the Opera House!
Oh, great. Wait, what? Where are you?
Nothing. We'll see you soon.
Hello? Guys.
Okay, listen, guys, we gotta go or else we're gonna be late. But not before we take a selfie.
Ooh, good idea. Come on. Ooh.
Come on.
Wallaby!
Okay, come on, let's go. Hey, how do we get up there?
Big Time Rush. Where are you guys? You got a lot of screaming fans here. They're going nuts for you. Hurry up.
Woo! We're on top of Sydney! Yeah! That's pretty cool.
Sounds like you're in a tornado. What's going on? Okay, well, hurry up. You're on in 5 minutes. Gee whiz.
Okay, I think it's time to get back to Slimefest.
Okay, question. How do we get down from here?
They're not here, dude.
We're gonna have to go on for them.
Yeah, but there's 4 of them and 2 of us.
We could be halftime rush.
Girl, if you with that girl, bounce!
Everybody knows that I want you. If you want me, baby, show me. Roll your windows down, let your hair flow. It all goes tonight.
Here we go!
Tonight,
Party people!
all the windows down. When I'm rolling through your town, saying yeah.
Girl, if you with that girl,